Make it fast, everybody. You'll get option B.
B.
C or B?
B, sir. B.
B or C? It is, remember, displacement equals to 2r into sine theta by 2. That's all it is. Now you can see that. What will come? So which is equals to 2r into sine 120 by 2. 120 by 2 means how much it is? 60. So sine 60. Sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60, everybody?
Root 3.
So 2 will get cancelled. What is the answer?
R root 3.
R root 3. That's why you have to be very careful when you are doing. Amya, have you got it? Laksha? Yes, please. Right now. Complete, everybody. Rudresh, are finished now? Now, let us go with the proof. Okay. So observe very carefully. Look into the screen now. So now you remember. Now I am saying you, whenever you are getting any kind of like these things, like two angles. Oh, sorry. Here I will. Okay, so like this, when you are getting an angle between them, just for purpose I am saying. So for example, from here to here, you imagine this is a triangle forming in the circle. So this is R and this is also what, everybody? This is also R. Okay, then we want to find the displacement from here to here, for example. Then you remember displacement DISP, displacement S is equals to always AB is equals to, what is the formula, everybody? 2R 2R what? 2R sine theta by 2. Sine theta by 2. That is a formula. So when the radius is here, the theta is equals to angle is equals to theta. So let us prove that. So prove from this diagram itself. So you can make it. All of you observe very carefully. So let me take this is R1 and this is what? R2. Any problem for you? R1 and R. Clear? Now. So finally, if you have noticed it, you have taken here the person is moving like this and going and coming like this. So this is what, so let me take displacement is equals to S. So finally the person starting from A and he reaches to here. This is the point, starting point. Sarya Pradosh, starting point is this one and finally he reaches to this point. Okay, understood? From A to B he reaches. Can you able to understand, everybody? Imagine just the proof. So this is the direction he is going like this. He reached like this, and finally he came like this. And next one is R2. R2 is directly from this point to this point. Let me take that point is C if you want to feel. Now, so keep in mind always when like this, if you are getting always this displacement plus this R1, displacement plus this R1, which is equals to R2. I will say, observe very carefully how it will be. So R1 plus displacement is equals to R2. Now displacement is equals to what will come, guys? R2 minus what will come? R1. Triangular properties. Okay. It may be a theta, whatever it is. Theta equals to 120, 60, 90, whatever it is. So keep it in mind. R1 plus displacement is equals to R2. Now displacement is equals to R2 minus R1. Now, if you do the magnitude of this one, magnitude is equals to what will come? Magnitude means what I told. Both the sides square we have to do it. And the square will come this side, it will become what? Yeah, into is no, square will become root. Now R2 value. What is R2 value? Verify it. R2 value means what? No, actually, this is both we have to do the square. This is square and this is also square. So square will come this side, will become root. Now this one, R1, R2, what will become? R1 minus, sorry, A minus B whole square. What is the formula? A minus B whole square.
A square plus B
A
square minus 2AB.
square minus 2AB. So that's all. And we are having here, as theta is there, we will get here cos theta. Okay. So now tell me here what will come? R1 square plus R2 square minus 2R1 R2 cos theta will come. Clear? Rudreshwar? Then, so displacement S is equals to, keep it in mind. Now you tell me what will happen. This one r1 square plus, as we all knows, r1 is equals to what? R1 is equals to what?
2R1 sir.
No, R1 is equals to R2. These both are equal, correct? Radius in the circle here. Both are equal, correct?
Yes, sir.
R1 is equals to R2. So I can say R1 square is R square plus R2 square is equals to R square minus R1, R2 are same. So R1, R2, what will become? R into R.
Square.
R square cos theta. So that is what it will become. So now, very carefully, in this r square plus r square, what will become? R square plus r square. This is
2R.
also 2r square minus 2r square cos theta. 2r square cos theta. So what is the common in this thing? One thing is common. What is the
2R.
2r square? I will write 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now I am saying you in mathematics, 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sine square theta by 2. This is the formula. Learn that. Okay. Then you substitute it. What will become? Check it, everybody. So 2r square in place of 1 minus cos theta, what I can write? Everybody. 2 sine square theta by 2. 2 sine square theta by 2. So which is equals to, check it. So this 2r square means you can see actually 2 twos are how much? 2 twos are how much? 4. 4r square. Next sine square theta by 2. So everywhere I will split the root. So what will become? See, root 4 into root r square into root sine square theta by 2. So everywhere what will happen? 2, 4, root 4 means what is the value? 2 into
2
r
into
square will
R.
get cancel. R will come into square and root will get cancel. What will come here? Sine theta by 2. So which is equals to, what is the formula? 2r 2r sine theta by 2. That is the formula to calculate the displacement when the theta is equals to, when theta is equals to from initial point to final point, when theta is equals to something like 120, 60 and 90, etc. We can use directly this formula to find the displacement. Okay, brothers? Clear?
Sir.
Yeah. So please remember that. Okay. So make it, everybody. Completed? Derivation. Slowly, neatly do it. Address understood, derivation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what.
Understood.
When you remember theta is there between that, then we can make it. How to do it? Where directly we can apply this formula to calculate the displacement. 2 sine square, sorry, 2 r sine theta by 2. That's all is the formula. And when you want to find the displacement between initial point and final point, and it is finding the angle. Okay. So now let us solve one question so that you'll understand. So later we will stop after this, and later we will directly go to the next concept. Okay. Right. A wheel of radius r is rolling on the road. This is very, will make you understand every clear concept. A wheel of radius r is rolling on the road. What will be the displacement of a point P? I will show you the diagram. What will be the displacement of a point P in half rotation, point P in half rotation of wheel on the road, half rotation of wheel on the road. So let us see the first diagram. So first options I will give you. So let us take option A, pi r, option B, r into pi square plus r, option C, r into pi square plus 4, and option D is r. So let us discuss now, everybody. Everybody observe very carefully. So they are saying that half rotation, not complete rotation. So that is you have to understand it. So let me take now for example, I will take one baseline. So baseline is my reference line. Is it okay, everybody? This is the road. Is it okay? Clear, all of you?
Sir.
What is this? Yeah. So this is the straight road. Is it okay, brothers? Now I'm taking a circle having a radius of r, and the point is at P. Now check it, everybody. I am making the circle. I will change the colors also so that you can clearly see. So this is the circle whose radius is what? Whose radius is r. So now whose radius is r and the point is, let me take some point is P here. Be very careful. This point is P here, and whose radius is what? Whose radius is r. Okay, da? Understood, everybody? Now, you tell me after half rotation, P value will come to where? After half rotation. They are asking after half rotation, what is the displacement of the P? They are asking. Of course, the radius of the circle is R. Very good. Yeah. Now, can you tell me after half rotation? After half rotation means it will move forward, correct? It is not only rotating that part. It will go around. See that the P point will go, and finally it will come to up. Is it right or wrong after half rotation? Yes, please respond. All of you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Complete rotation means again, see, after one complete rotation, wheel position will changes or not? That is, you tell me first. Yes or no? Yes, brothers?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
yes, that is what you have to remember. Now, after one complete rotation, wheel position will come to where? Wheel position will come to here. Is it right or wrong? You all tell me. Wheel position will come to here or not? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, where is the P point will be? It is saying only half rotation. Then where is the P point will be? Where is the P point? It is in down or up?
Sir.
Up. Suppose if it is complete rotation, P point again will be down. Yes or no? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, if it is only half rotation, then tell me P point will be where? Everybody?
Up.
P point will be somewhere here. Is it right or wrong? Yes, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this is what the P dash. Let me take P dash. P point came to here. Now they are asking what is the displacement. So how to find it? Displacement? Anybody? So first, what is the displacement means? Yes, please. Shortest path between initial point and final point. Understand, Laksha? Yes, that is what. Next, so displacement I want it. So that is the displacement. So what is the displacement here? P and P dash.
P dash.
Okay, P and P dash is my displacement, which is equals to, how to find it? Check it, everybody. So I will do it. I want to form a triangle. Yes or no, guys? Everybody? So if it is complete rotation, P point will come to where? If it is complete rotation, P point will come to where?
Down.
Down. So it is not complete rotation. So what will happen? It will be up. So now, if it is complete rotation, then we can see from here to here, which is equals to pi r is the, half rotation means what is the radius, like what is the distance traveled by it? What is the distance travel? Half rotation means, all of you. Distance traveled by it, half rotation. Please respond. Half rotation, amma, distance travel, we have already done. Complete rotation means 2 pi r.
Yes,
Half rotation means what, brothers?
Yeah.
Yes, pi r. Do you all understanding what I am saying? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now distance. So from distance from here to here, what is the distance traveled by this one? Half rotation means. Half rotation means from this point to this point. What is the distance traveled, Ra? Yes, please respond. Distance traveled by what, Ra, brothers?
By R.
Pi r. So means this side, the distance traveled by the particle is pi r. Is it right, Rudresha? Distance.
Yes, sir.
Distance traveled by particle is how much? Distance traveled by particle is pi r. Okay, very good. Now, but particle made not complete rotation, half rotation. If it is complete rotation, it will come here. So the distance traveled by it is 2 pi r. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? If it is half rotation. Now, what is this side? This side is equals to what? As we all know, this is R and this is also R.
2R.
R is R plus R. How much, Amma?
2R.
2R. Sorry, brothers, understood? So, what is the angle here? Here angle is 90 degree. And here angle is something theta. Now tell me. So, how to find? It is a right angle triangle. So, what is that? P dash displacement is equals to root of
2R whole square plus pi R whole square.
2R whole square plus next what? Everybody, IR whole square. So make it 2 square means 4. 4R square plus this one pi square R square. So in that, verify it everybody. So what it will come? In this both R square is common. Can I take R square is common? Everybody? Yes, please. R square into 4 plus pi square. So now be very careful, observe. So now root of, can I write this one as root R square? Is right or wrong? Yes, into root of 4 plus pi square. Is it right or wrong? Everybody?
Sir.
Yes? All of you respond. So that is what? So what is the answer? Square and root will get cancelled. R into root of what will come? Pi square plus 4 or 4 plus R square. So we cannot write here 4 square root 4. Why? Both are in what? They are not in multiplication.
Addition.
What they are? They are in addition. So what is the answer? What is the answer, guys?
Option C.
Option C.
C.
Now find the theta, Rudreshwar, fastly. Yeah, theta means mathematics. We'll apply what? Right angle triangle. So what is the theta? Tan theta actually it is. So tan theta is equals to, I want it. Tan theta is equals to, what will come? Tan theta is equals to
2R divided by pi R.
2R divided by pi R.
that is what. So P divided by, yes, P divided by B. So what will come? Tan theta means what, guys? Perpendicular. Perpendicular divided by base. Yes or no?
Divided by adjacent.
Yeah, adjacent side. So that is what base. So perpendicular side how much? Perpendicular side 2R. 2R divided by this one is what? Pi R. So what is the theta is equals to? Theta is equals to what? 2 by 5. That is. Understand, Dara? Brothers?
Sir.
Yes. So this is what about distance and displacement. Actually, this is very, very important concept today's class. So how to find distance and displacement. If you understand this, then next class we'll go with how to find speed and velocity. So as we know, distance is scalar quantity, then speed is scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity, then speed is also vector quantity. Is it okay? So please learn till here. Anyone having? Yeah, velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity.
Scalar.
Yeah. Okay. So till here you learn. Then tomorrow maximum we'll try to finish speed and velocity. Then after mathematics will start. That is what mathematical tools differentiation. Differentiation after we will go with some solving. Then after we will get integration. So actually that's a very very big lessons also and very very important concepts also. So when we get maxima, when we get minima, a lot of things are there. Then after that integration. So this is one of the very important chapter actually. So it will take some days to study. So slowly we'll study. No, nothing will happen. Day by day, whatever we are teaching, regularly you try to learn. Anything doubt you can and you can ask me. We'll make it clear everything and we'll solve it. Okay. So today's class, anything anybody having doubt, you will understand how to find. Suppose if it is one complete rotation, again point P will come to where? Point P will come to somewhere here down. Then distance
Down.
then distance equals to displacement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
distance equals to by the time what will become? Distance is
Sir,
equal to that.
displacement by the time 0, sir.
0 because it will come to same again initial point. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what you have to remember. Okay, brothers?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have to be very, very careful when we are solving the questions. All of you should understand what we are doing is very, very important. So this is half questions only they will ask you basically. So please learn unless you form these triangles and all neatly how to form. You have to form very neatly and you have to study. Yes, Rudeshwar?
Sir, full rotation means how, sir? Zero. Wheel will roll forward, no,
Of
sir.
course, it will move forward. Then by the time distance equals to displacement. That's what. Okay, Pradosh, so it's not zero, Pradosh, because if the same path means zero. Understand, Pradosh? It is not, if it is fixing rotation means it is zero, but it is moving forward, correct? Suppose if it is complete rotation means, then what is the position of the P point? Somewhere here. Is it right or wrong? Next
Yes,
hop.
sir.
So then the shortest path is here only P dash. Then what is the path? Total one complete rotation means distance equals to what? 2 pi r.
Pi r plus
And,
pi r,
uh,
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Then displacement also what? Shortest path, correct?
Yes,
Shortest
sir.
path it is. Then shortest path means this is the initial point of the P and this is the final point of the P after complete rotation. Then both are same only. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So then by the time that is also will become 2 pi r. Okay, Rudreshwar?
Yes, sir.
But keep in mind, if it is the circular track means track is fixed. Here wheel it is. Okay. If it is circular track, then displacement is what? If we stop at point B, what is the displacement? Displacement is equals to diameter. Are you understanding? Understand, Rudreshwar?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, but here is not the circular track. Wheel is rotating. So if I consider this point, again that point is came here to the same position. So the shortest path between them is the straight line. So the straight line is what? Actually, it is a distance covered by the wheel. Pi r plus pi r, 2 pi r. So that's what you have to remember. Okay. Anyhow, we'll get like that sums also. We'll solve it. So this is what about it. Okay. So till here you continue, complete it. Anybody's left is not understand. Try to go through once again and make it. Then from here, tomorrow we'll study speed and velocity and later differentiation. Okay. Thank you, everybody. This chapter is a little bit tough, and next chapters are even more tough. Okay. So because we don't have any idea about this in ninth class, but coming chapters we'll be having idea like circular motion and gravitation, work and energy. These all the things at least we'll heard that words in ninth class. So please kindly focus on this. Okay. Thank you.